sauce on a nigga, bull flex. White gold, diamond really ranch dress.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabrielle Chance, aka Gabby, and I will do an eyeshadow look for you guys using this Beauty Treats palette along with this brush that I got. I don't know where I got it from, but I got it, so I'm going to use it. So I'm just taking the purple shade from this palette and applying it to my eyes. And I'm going to build the shade up. So what I'm doing here is I'm blending the shadow up towards where the highlighted area under my eyebrow starts. And I'm winging the eyeshadow as well because I've never tried to apply eyeliner, so by me doing this it gives me that effect. Hopefully someday I will try, just getting that shape correct. Make sure I'm winging it properly. I'm just building up that color. So now I'm going to with this blue shade to intensify the purple, but I end up going ham on it, like I went in with this blue. And then after I applied the blue, I went back in with the purple to blend it back, make everything look well put together. And then while you're watching this, you could go ahead and subscribe, comment, like, share, leave ideas for me. Constructive criticism is always great. As time goes on, I want and I hope for my channel to get better and do better things, And if you're wondering why my eyebrows are already done, I did a video on how I did my eyebrows. It's not all that perfect, but you could go ahead and watch it. I'll make sure to link it in the video so you can press or put it in the description bar below. So now I'm going in with this brown shade that has shimmers in it to add some depth to the area and also to define the look and bring it all together. And ignore the lace. I was home from work and it needed to be off my head, so it was acting up, So now I'm going with this Sacha eye primer in the shade Matte Toffee to create my cut crease, along with my concealer brush from LA Girl. I just did the same thing on the other eye, and now we're going in with these two shimmer shades. Make sure to pat that on. And anywhere that I messed up, I make sure to go back in and clean it up later on. So now, right now I'm cleaning it up. I'm gonna do my waterline and I'm smudging it out with the purple shade. Then I'm gonna apply the brown with the sparkles in it. I'm gonna take the white from this palette. It's white poly, you know, it has a poly tint to it. And I'm applying it above the cut crease, you know, to give it that effect. Then I'm going in with the gray from the same palette and apply it to my tearbook area. I'm also going to be extending it along my waterline. That I want to talk in my videos, so I'm trying to get a mic and so forth, you know, some good up stuff so that I can use, and also a new phone because this phone is tweaking on me. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video.